Today, we're in Hawk country at the Seahawk training facility where players are getting their green on, not from the jerseys they wear, but from the food they eat, thanks to the team's nutritionist, Michele Clarke-Mason.
Give me a little bit of background. How did you become the nutritionist for the Seattle Seahawks?
I had been a chef in restaurants around the Seattle area for about 25 years. I did my training with the Nutritional Therapy Association down in Olympia, and then started working with individual players. With the NFL, the teams aren't allowed to provide supplements. So if it's, football season is also flu season.
Yeah.
So I can't give them a vitamin C capsule. So we do it through the food. So a lot of times I will look, okay, for this condition, here is the nutrient we need, and then I start searching for foods rich in that nutrient. The guys now have to understand that you were meant to get this stuff from food.
Right, yeah.
Keeping the team healthy is a large responsibility, and Michele relies on locally grown produce to give the players all those nutrients they need to play their best. One of her secret weapons is Washington-grown spinach.
One of my big focuses with the players, a lot of them understand the macronutrients. I need this much carbohydrate, I need this much protein, but it's the micronutrients that's the the nutrient density with the minerals and the vitamins and the antioxidants. So those are the nutrients that break down if something's shipped a long way.
Yeah.
So spinach from Washington has a lot more vitamins and minerals and antioxidants than something that's been shipped from Central America.
Michele fuels the Hawks with specialty smoothies that are jam-packed with fruits, veggies, and protein.
What are some of the favorites that the players have?
Well, every year more and more guys are doing the green smoothie.
So this is good looking spinach.
Yeah, it's tender, so it blends really well. You don't get that fibery texture to it. The antioxidant level's really high. There is some natural iron in it. And the color is beautiful when you blend it up.
I want to be game day ready, so I asked Michele to show me how she makes her popular green smoothie. She starts most of her smoothies with an avocado to add healthy fat and creaminess. Next, she adds frozen mango and pineapple to add some acidity. Then it's time to add in the fresh spinach, followed by coconut milk, kombucha, orange juice, and coconut water. Then it's ready to be blended.
Cadillac of blenders.
That is, that's nice.
After the smoothie is blended, Michele adds in protein powder.
Most of the smoothies we make are a mix of collagen protein and a grass-fed whey protein. So then it's just on. You can kind of see the creaminess.
Yeah, and that's it.
And that's it.
Wow. That was easy. And it's a beautiful color of green, which is very fitting for the Seahawks, right?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is delicious. And it's
Thank
good
you.
to know that you are fueling the Hawks. It's going to win lots of games all the way.
I'll take any credit I'm given.
Awesome. Want to go run some lines out on the field now?